Tour of the appliances here. Sub-Zero wine fridge. You could hear it running. I just turned it on. These are replaceable panels here. Let's work our way over to the main refrigerator here. Sub-Zero refrigerator. The only tag I could find on this, several people have asked about a tag. I'll post pictures of it. It's not really coming in clear, but just has the manufacturer's date on it. Again, needs some cleaning, very minor cleaning, no damages. I haven't cleaned these yet. Gonna leave that up to, let's turn it on first. Leave that up to the buyer. Separate trays here. All the inserts are included. Again, this unit's been off. Digital readout on the top for each section. That's off. The steamer here. It's in pretty much new shape. The first the Wolf oven here. Again, very minor cleaning. Here is the other range. Here again, in need of a little cleaning. Smaller on the left, on the right. Full out displays. There is a hood here. I can't find any information on this, nor can I on the range as far as the stickers go, but I'll send as many pictures as I can. Dishwasher over here, KitchenAid dishwasher, again all in great working order. So pieces of the fridge to be washed. And whoever the winning bidder is, of course, can test all these items when they come. Another dishwasher here, another KitchenAid dishwasher, again in great shape. Panels also, again, can be purchased to match whatever you need. And there is a trash compactor here, KitchenAid trash compactor. So it's pretty much where we are with all the units. I think that was everything. I hope this video helps a little bit for some of the questions that were asked. Oh, and of course the ice machine here. Scotsman ice machine. Use it cleaning as well. And again, these units are off. There hasn't been power here in the home for a little while, so some of these units are turned off just to save electricity. But there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. And good luck bidding.